The power of play.
Hello! If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos.
Let's go!
Hello Numberblock fans! Today we have the Numberblock Christmas sticker activity book. We're going to complete all of the activities inside and have help from our Numberblock Mathlink cubes 1 to 24 and other toys. So here is the Numberblock Christmas sticker activity book. It says it has over 100 stickers and 32 pages of activities. It's all about Christmas in Numberblock land. So if you have a quick flick through, you can see all of the fun activities included. There's lots of colouring activities and also lots of activities including these stickers. So we'll go ahead and open the book up and go to the first activity. Here on the first page you can see that it looks like an advent calendar. It says, let's count to Christmas. Starting on the first day of December, do one activity each day. Colour in the picture in each box after you've completed the activity. So we're going to colour them all from 1 to 24. Now we've completed the first page, we can go on and complete all of the other pages. Some of the number blocks have lost their numberlings in a snowball fight. Can you give each number block their correct numberling? So here is number block 1. He's missing his numberling in the picture and he is 1 block. So we know that this means 1 for 1 number block. Next we know the number block in the background has a number block missing. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. So we'll go ahead and put the numberling 6 above number block 6. The next number block missing a numberling is the orange block at the back. It has 1, 2 blocks. So we'll put on the number 2's numberling. Next, the grey square is missing a numberling. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks. So we know that the numberling is 9. And last but not least, we know that the green square in the bottom is also missing his numberling. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So we'll go ahead and put on the numberling 4. And now we can turn on to the next page for the next activity. So the first activity, it says each of the number sentences below is missing a number block. Use the stickers to fill in the blanks. So in the first one we can see 6 plus blank equals 14. Now we can either count the difference or take away 6 from 14. And that equals 8. So we will go ahead and put number 8's sticker on. Next it says 4 minus 1 minus 1 equals blank. So here is our number block 4, and if we take away 1, we have 3, and take away another 1, and we have 2. So it equals 2. So we'll go ahead and put number block 2's sticker on. Lastly, we have blank plus 5 equals 8. So here we have number block 8, take away 5 equals 3. So we'll go ahead and put number block 3's sticker on. On the next page, it says, use your colouring pencils to create another party outfit for the 3 above. So I'm just going to colour in this number 3 regularly. And then the next activity says, can you make a festive outfit for 3 to wear to the Numberblocks party? So we're going to use all the stickers provided to look all festive and ready for the Numberblocks Christmas party. So now we'll go ahead and turn on to the next page. And this is Square Club stockings. It says, help Santa by filling 1 and 4 stocking with presents. Each number block should have the same number of presents as they should have blocks. So, number 1's stocking is empty, and number block 1 has 1 block. So, the stocking needs 1 present. Number block 4's stocking is also empty as well, and number block 4 has 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So we'll go ahead and put 4 presents into number 4's stocking. On the next page it says 1 has been drawing shapes in the snow. Can you work out which shapes she has drawn? Stick the correct shapes on top of each snowy outline. So the first shape has 1 continuous line in a hoop. So that is a circle. The next one has 4 corners and 4 straight sides of all equal length. It is a special kind of rectangle, a square. The next one has 3 corners and 3 straight sides. That must make it a triangle. The last one has 4 corners and 4 edges. 2 of them the same length and 2 of them shorter. That makes it a rectangle. So we're going to go ahead and turn on to the next page. The next page says create your own number block character using sticker blocks. Then use your colouring pencils to give them a face. So first I'm going to colour in the pencil in the corner, and then I'm going to create my own number block. So I'm going to try and make it like a Christmas tree. Now there's only so many blocks, but of course you could colour them in if you wanted to. And then I will add a face, and there we go. So the next page says, it's snowing shapes. Can you work out which groups these snowflake shapes belong in by counting their sides? Draw a line from each shape leading them to the correct group. So the first one is a 4-sided shape with 4 corners. So that'll be in the 4-sided rectangle box. The next shape has 5 sides and 5 corners, which is a pentagon, so it can go in the more than 4-side box. The next shape is a big rectangle with 4 sides and 4 corners, so that can go in the 4-side box, along with the next one, which is a square. So the bottom one has 3 corners and 3 sides, so that's a triangle. The next one has 6 corners and 6 sides, which is a hexagon, so that will go in the more than 4 sides. The next 2 are triangles again, so we can pop those into the 3-side category. And last but not least, we have another pentagon. So we're going to put that into the more than 4 sides. So we'll go ahead and turn the page over onto the next activity. On this page it says, Big Tom has eaten a number block from each of the sequences. Can you work out who he's hiding in his tummy? So in the first sequence we have number block 9, then number block 8, followed by number block 7. So if we get number block 9 and take away 1 block, it shows that it equals 8. Then if we take away another block, it equals 7, just like the picture. So if we take off 1 more, it equals 6. The sequence is that it minuses 1 each time, so we'll put on number 6's sticker. So next we have 5, 7, blank, and 11. So we need to find the sequence between the other number blocks first. So if we get our 5 and then add 1 more, that is 6. So that isn't correct. So we'll add another 1 to 6, and that's 7. So we know that there is a gap of 2. So if we plus 2 to 7, that equals 9. We can also test it the other way. So if we have 11 and remove 2, that also equals 9. So the sequence is that it goes up in 2s each time. So we'll put on the number 9 sticker. So on the next page it says, the number blocks are playing Secret Santa. Can you use the clues to work out who each of these gifts are from? So the first clue is this number block has less than 4 blocks. And this number block is a member of the Step Squad and Square Club. Also, the gift is red. That's right, it's number block 1. Number block 1 is a square and the first step in Step Club. So there is 1 sticker. The next present is green, and it says, this present comes from a member of the Square Club. This number block can form into the terrible 2s. That's right, it's number block 4. And of course, number block 4 is the terrible 2s. So we'll pop the sticker on. And lastly, it says, this present comes from a superhero. The number block is the same colour as the bow on the bear. This number block is smaller than the number block 11. That's right, it's number block 8 or Octoblock. So we'll pop his sticker on and then we'll turn onto the next page. On this page it has a scene to colour in. It says use your colouring pencils to colour in the Christmas scene. You can also use the stickers left over so far from the previous activities that we didn't use. So I will just finish the Christmas scene and then we can continue with the next activity. And that's our finished scene. And for the next page it says, this is a game for 2 players. Take it in turns to stick a sticker on the grid above. The first person to make a 4-block square wins. However, I'm just going to represent and stick on the stickers for the Square Club members. So you can see I have 1, 4 and 9. And the next one would be 16. So we'll go ahead and turn over the page for the next activity. This one, it says use the stickers to create your own Stampoline Christmas cards. Remember to use the correct number of blocks for each number block. So 4 is already done. So the first box says I have 5 blue blocks. So we'll do number block 5. The second box says I have 3 yellow blocks. So we'll do number block 3. And lastly, the last box says I have 8 pink blocks. So we'll pop on 8 blocks for number block 8. And then we'll draw on some faces. For the next page it says, 2 has to get to bed before Santa comes. Can you help him find his way through the maze? So for this activity, it is a lot of trial and error. It does help to go backwards sometimes. So I just quickly will do this maze, and then we'll turn over for the next maths activity. On this page it says, can you count the blocks on these ice sculptures to work out who they are? So the first sculpture has 1, 2 blocks. So we'll write in number 2. Sculpture B has 3 blocks. So we'll write in number 3. And lastly, C has 4 blocks. So we'll go ahead and write number 4 in box C. On the next page it says 6 is hosting a Christmas quiz. Can you work out whether these numbers sentences are true or false? So the first question says 13 plus 3 equals 16. So let's figure out if that's true or false. So let's get our number block 13, and plus 3 equals 16. So that question is correct. So we're going to put a tick sticker in the box. Next one says that 2 plus 4 equals 8. So let's see if this is true or false. So if we add our 4 and 2 together, it equals 6. So this question is false. So we need to put a cross in the box. And lastly, it says that 12 plus 5 equals 18. So let's get our 12 number block and our 5 number block and add them together. And that equals 17. So this question is also false. So we'll go ahead and put another cross sticker in the box. And then we can turn on to the next page activity. On this page it says, can you spot the 8 differences between these snow globe scenes? So we'll go ahead and zoom in. If you'd like to play along, you can pause the video to spot the differences. However, I'm now going to circle all the differences I've spotted. The first difference is number 1's hat, as one is green and one is red. The next difference is that number block 4 is holding a candy cane in one and not in the other. Another difference is that Blockzilla is missing the pom-pom on one of his hats. The fourth difference is that one of number 2's blocks is pink. Another difference is that number block 4 is missing the bell on his hat. Another difference is that number block 3's buttons are a different colour. This one is green. Another difference is that number block 2's numbering is in reverse on one of the globes. And the last difference is that number block 3 is missing her numbering entirely. So let's zoom out and turn on to the next page. On this page it says, someone has been hiding presents in Numberland. Can you spot all of the hidden presents in this picture? Circle each one when you find it. So each of the number blocks have hidden presents to represent each of their blocks. So I'm going to quickly go through this one and circle all the number blocks I find. On the next page it says the terrible 2s have stolen some of the Numberblocks blocks. Use your stickers to make sure each number block has the right number of blocks. So the first number block is 13. So if we could count the blocks that 13 has in this picture as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we need to give 13 2 more blocks. Number 11 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks. So we need to add 1 more block to make 10, 11. And we'll count the last number block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 blocks. So we need to add 3 more blocks to make 15. So we'll go ahead and turn on to the next page. Can you work out which number block decorated each of these trees? Stick the correct number block to each of these trees. So the first tree that we see has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. So that must mean number block 5 decorated this tree. So we'll pop the sticker on. And then the next tree has 1, 2, 3 bows. And they're also yellow, just like number block 3. So we'll pop number block 3 stickers on. And the last tree has 1, 2, 3, 4 square ornaments or baubles. So we'll go ahead and put 4's sticker on. So let's turn on to the next page. 11 and 14 have lost some of their presents. Oh no! How many presents are each of them missing? So if we count the footballs, there are 9 of them. So if we get our number block 9 and add one more, it equals 10. Then if we add another one, that equals 11. So we added 2, so we know that there are 2 missing presents. So I'm going to write that in the box. Number block 14 had 14 skateboards. So if we count all the skateboards up, he has 11. So if we get our number block 11 and add one more, that equals 12. So we will add another one and that equals 13. And we'll add one more and that equals 14. So we've added 3 more blocks. So we'll write a 3 in the box. On the next page, 17 has been painting some festive sequences. Can you help by finishing them by filling in the gaps? So the first sequence goes star, bauble, star, bauble. So the next sticker must be a star. Sequence B goes bauble, party hat, bobble hat, bauble, party hat. So the next one must be the bobble hat sticker. And the last sequence goes present, present, bauble, present, blank, bauble. So it must be a present. So we'll go ahead and turn on to the next activity. On this page, it says draw a line to match each speech bubble to the correct number block. Which speech bubble is the odd one out? So the first one says, I love squares. And only one of the number blocks below can make a square. So it must be number 4. Another speech bubble says, let's roll. So, which number block likes games? That's right, it's number 6. Just like 6 spots on a dice. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. So we know it just counted down from 10, and 10 loves rockets. So high 5 is the odd one out, and we also know that's number block 5 saying. The next activity says help 5 colour in the Christmas scene using your colouring pencils. We can also use the stickers we didn't use in any of the activities before. So now we'll turn onto the last page and last activity of the book. So we'll work our way up the maths Christmas tree and start from number 1. Number 1 says, what is 2 times 2? So if we get our 2 number blocks, 2 times 2 equals 4. So number 2 says, what is 2 divided by 2? So if we get our number 2 and divide it into 2 pieces, it equals 1. As you can see, there is 1 each. And you can write it in if you like. Number 3 is blank, so number 4 says, what is 12 divided by 2? So 12 divided by 2 is 6, as there are 6 2's. And that means it's the same as 2 times 6, as it equals 12. So 5 is a blank bauble, and number 6 asks, what is 6 plus 5? So if we add 6 to 5, it equals 11. So our next question asks us, what is 8 plus 5? So if we add 8 and 5 together, it equals 13. The next question asks us what is 9 plus 6. So let's add 9 and 6 together. And that equals 15. The number 11 bauble asks us what is 15 minus 1. So if we get our number block 15 and take away one block, it equals 14. The next question asks us what is 20 minus 4. So let's take 4 number blocks off of 20. That equals 16. The next question asks us what is 14 plus 5. So if we add 14 to 5, it equals 19. Next we have what is 16 plus 4. So we'll add 4 onto 16, and that equals 20. So we'll slide the page down so we can see the rest of the quiz. And the next one says, what is 19 plus 4? So we'll add 19 to 4, and that equals 23. Bauble 20 asks us what is 20 plus 1. So we'll add one block to 20, and that equals 21. The next question asks us what is 21 plus 2. So let's add 2 to 21, and that equals 23. And the last question asks us what is 23 plus 1. So we'll add 1 to 23, and that equals 24. Well done if you got any of those right. And now you've finished all of the activities, you could turn on to the next page and check your results. And that was the end of the Numberblock Christmas activity book. We hope you enjoyed the Numberblock Christmas sticker activity book today and joined in with all the Numberblock quizzes. We hope to see you again next time. Bye bye! Hello! If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Bye bye!